Hello everyone, my name is Mauricio. I'm a network administrator for DigitX Corporation. One of the questions that we get asked a lot from our clients is how to download videos from their DVRs to their computer. Sometimes there are instances when they need to download a video for insurance purposes, for police, for anything you need to download video. So no matter how many times we explain it, there's still questions about it. So I hope this video will help all of our customers and anyone else that needs to download video from Dahua DVR with a program called Smart PSS. So the video assumes that you already have the program installed, that your camera is that your DVR is configured, and that's all you need. So let's begin. If you look on your desktop, most likely on your desktop, there should be an icon like this called with a program called Smart PSS. You need to double click on the program, you open it. I already have it open down here in my case. And this is what you will see. You will have a home page like this where you can go to live view, playback, and so on. You really don't need to bother with any of these other configurations because this is already configured for you. Right now we're gonna deal with playback. And as you can see, I already have it open on the top. So let's go to playback. And right now I created this group called test. Most likely on your DVRs it's gonna be on the default group. So let's open my test group, and inside my test group I also have a test DVR. Inside that test DVR I have several cameras. In this case I'm gonna pick, let's say I'm picking camera 14. For testing purposes, this camera 14 for this client is completely blank. It's pointing to the ceiling or somewhere else. So for confidentiality purposes, it's a good camera to test for this purpose. So let's say something happened and I want to see something on camera 14. So we select camera 14. Down here, we keep this on mainstream. Then we go on the calendar. Once in the calendar, we're going to click that. And everything that we see on green, that's the period that the DVR is recording. So give or take, this DVR is recording about 2 weeks, 3 days. So let's say we need to view something from camera 14, let's say from the 21st. So we select the 21st, we're going to select the time. Let's say 11:30, and then we're going to go from 11:30. Down here you select the time. This is the from, and here's the to. We're going to go to the 21st that we selected. We selected the 21st. We're going to go from 11:30 to 11:40, so we don't have a long video. We're going to click OK. So right now I'm just going to double check my times. 2019 021, 11:30 to 11:40. And I'm going to click search. When I click search, it gives me the video that I have right here, all of that video, so I can review it. I can also click here on event, and within that time frame we have this event. So we're going to click on it and we're going to click play. Once you're in there, you can fast forward. As you can see, like I told you, there's only a blank screen, but it's an actual camera that's recording. Eventually we have to fix that, but for the purpose of this video, it works for what we needed. So here you can go forward and backwards until you find whatever you need. Also, you can tweak this to a different time, maybe a different camera. But once you get the video, right now we're going to stop this. So let's say this is the video that you want to download. So from there, you click on this little icon down here that looks like a floppy disk. You're going to click on export settings. And here, this is important. This is a browse. This is the path, the location where you want this video to go to. In my case, I already created a folder on the desktop of this computer, and I name it test videos. You can do the same thing. You can create a folder here if you want to do that, and you can name it anything you want. This particular video is going to go into test videos. So I'm going to select the folder. I'm going to click OK. This is also very important. This is the format that you want to use for this video. I usually like to leave this on the original format. This is important because the quality of the video will degrade every time you convert it to a different format. These two formats right here, these formats will play on any computer right away. However, if you do original format, you will also need to download a player. Without the player, the videos, no one will be able to play the videos unless you have that particular player. So it is important to have that player with you to download it. So let's go ahead and download this particular video. I'm gonna click OK. Depending on the video, it might take from a few minutes to several minutes, or maybe a couple of hours if you have a long video. And it all depends on the bandwidth of not only that you have at your location, but also at the where the DVR is located, maybe a restaurant or a lawyer's office, and many of the other places that I get questions about this. So let's click OK. And you're going to see that the video is going to start downloading. Now this particular video is going to take some time. Again, it depends on the bandwidth of the internet connection. So let's go back here. I'm not going to download this entire video right now for the purpose of this video. I'm just going to stop it right now. I'm just going to cancel. And let's minimize this so you have an idea. Right here's my test videos. Here's my folder. Here's the video that I was downloading. And now here is the player. Again, this player is important. It's very important, so that if you're going to give this video to an insurance company or the police, you need to give them not only the video but the player also. So all you have to do is copy and paste it into a thumb drive. That's the best place where you can put the video, USB drive. They're fairly inexpensive these days. So in order to play the video, all you have to do is open the player program. And then once it opens, you need to, it's going to ask you a question. You will see it here in just a minute. It will ask you a question if you want to play the .dav files, this is where they are, .dav files. You see it right here, it says, do you want to play this type of files? You're going to click yes. And then you're just going to, browse for that folder. This will probably would automatically look for any files. You see, it found my test videos. Now, there's a video here. It didn't complete the download, so I'm not going to play it. But if this was the full video, you can just click on it, click open, and then you'll be able to see your video here at the original resolution that you downloaded at. So that's about it as far as copying and downloading videos. I'm really not going to show you how to copy and paste. I'm assuming that you know that. If not, there are several tutorials online about how to copy and paste, which is fairly easy. But this video is mostly for downloading videos from your DVRs to your computer. I hope it was informative. If you have any questions, you can call me. You can email me, which is my preferred method of contact. You can email me at sales@digitxcorp.com. sales@digitxcorp.com. I will also put that email on the bottom of the video for additional questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.